Hi everyone, so today I'll be trying out this new set that DiamPress has brought to their website, mydiampress.com. I did a whole unboxing of the new releases for October, and I'll link that video in the description box because today we're going to just jump right into it. This set is called Delivering Christmas. It was sent free of charge from my review, and of course all opinions are my own. And the links I'll have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. With DiamPress, it's not so much the link itself, it's an affiliate discount code. So if you use the code VCDP10 at checkout, you'll get 10% off of your purchase. Depending on when you're watching and what's going on, in the last video I said that the birthday bundle had sold out, but they did put more back in stock. So if you're interested in the birthday bundle, again, it's the 4 new stamp and die kits. Some are stamp, stencil, and die kits. They have some background dies and some new layering die cuts. Those are separate. So you can pick up everything separately, but the bundle was for these, like the kits, like this kind of thing. It is back in stock. So if you're interested in that, check that out. I'll link in the description box. Again, it seems like it's going in and out of stock. So hopefully it'll still be there for you guys. If you're interested in that guy, you can still use your 10% off. And then if you spend $75 or more after discounts and before taxes, you will get this little bow die set will be added to your order. You don't have to add it to the order. It'll just automatically be put in your order when they ship it out, of course, while supplies last. So all that info will be in the description box. Okay, so again, like I said, we're just going to jump right into it. I'm going to grab an A2 size card base, some background paper or something, and we'll just get started and doing some stamping and putting this little guy together. Again, it's a little like bug, super cute. You have the side image or the front, front facing one, and I'll be right back. Okay, I basically have my card base almost all made. I have this paper here and I just want to measure it in case I cut it down to a different size last time, but basically half an A2 size paper. I'm just going to make sure it's 5.5 inches. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger than 5.5, so let's cut that piece off. And I'm going to score it at 4.25. And then I have this little matte layer piece that I just had here, and it's like perfect, so I'm going to use that for my background. Why not? It'll be cute for either one that we choose to do because it doesn't have a certain direction, right? So this one I want to make sure it's 4 1/8, which it pretty much already is, by 5 3/8, which it might already be. Oh no, it's a little bit longer. I'm going to cut this other side. It was already cut before, so might as well leave the other side nice and pristine. There we go. And I'm just going to glue that on, okay? And I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'll do the front facing card, I think. Let me see if this is enough paper. Actually, I haven't checked that. These are your acrylic stamps here. For this one we're going to do this guy. We have some accent like little lights, of course, and then the tires, but we'll do that in just a moment. Oh yeah, this is good. I have tires down here. I don't think I have anything on the top for this part yet, so let's just stick that down. I didn't do anything to prep this. You saw I just took it off there, took it out of the packaging. It is a very flat surface, so you want to make sure you don't have too many bubbles underneath or big bubbles because it'll never make contact with your paper if you have bubbles. Just want to get rid of those. And I am using a stamp positioner because I'll probably do this a couple times. I'm going to use this crimson color. So essentially everything's going to be red. I mean, it's up to you if you don't want to use a color, or if you want to come in and do like the little window black or like those little lines, you can definitely do that. Or even after I do this, if you want to take like something small and just get that done, you can do that. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, I like the texture on this. I just miss this very little center part a little bit. Yeah, we can do it one more time if you want it brighter, but that's really, really nice application. I think I keep missing this last part of it here because I can see that one's lighter, so just make sure I'm really putting ink on that. Now for this next part, okay, we'll do the lights. That's so cute. I think I might do the tires after I die cut it, just so I know I'm putting them exactly in the right spot. Some people like to die cut to begin with anyway and then do their stamping, so however you like. But I'm going to do the lights, and then, like I said, I'll do the, oopsie, where's my stuff here? the tires afterward, and it looks like this should be a solid light, like a solid dot. It's over here on this set of stamps. And honestly, I think I'm just gonna go for on this one. I didn't grab any ink yet, so let me grab that. I always keep my inks stacked Roy G. Biv order, so red, orange, yellow, you know, so I always know where they are in the order. I just grab them right quick, and I'm just gonna do this, maybe this corn silk color, and I'm just eyeballing this, guys, so just go for it. As I get closer I can see pretty well where I'm stamping. That's cute. And then this guy too. Oh, okay. Yeah, let me clean up just a little bit and we'll continue on. Okay, so I'm gonna take my die. And I can see pretty well there. I mean, if you're really left and right. But if you have any fear of that at all, you can definitely do the little aperture trick. But I think that looks pretty even. And then that way I'll know exactly where to stamp my tires. So I'm just going to pop that on there and on here and run that through, and I'll be right back. Yeah, not bad. Okay. And just need the tires that were on here. Okay, we got both of these guys. And I guess I should probably put that on there kind of straight so I see where I'm... See, it's kind of curved, so this one's curved up towards the right. That's going to be that tire, and then the one curved towards the left is the other tire. And since I'm just going for it, I'm going to use VersaFine Clear. Oopsie. Just ink that up. And I'm going to get this close to me, guys. Sorry, it is a little harder to see, but I get that stamped really nice. Not bad. And then this guy curved up towards the left. And you can definitely use a stamp positioner. I'm just eyeballing, so you know, whatever you feel comfortable with. There we go. And there are little tires on that guy. And we'll continue on. You know, as I have this out right now, and I brought my card base back, if I have this like here, and I was going to do a little wreath, so maybe I'll bring it up, you know, maybe we'll put some gifts on top, I'm not sure yet. So I think I'm going to put a sentiment over here, and since this paper should be able to stamp on it, but I'm just going to use some Stays On, because it is a little bit coated paper, but, oh, that's kind of cute. I was going to do this way. Well, maybe I'd put it here, though. Okay, maybe I'm going to go the other direction with it. So I'm going to take this Christmas is Coming to Town and get that inked up really, really well if I'm just going to go for it, because I feel like Stays On has a little drier feel to it, but maybe that's just me. So anyway, I'm going to get that really inked up there. I'll really hold that down. The lettering on this one's nice and thin. Just a moment. Ooh, wow, yeah, no, that's really thin. Hopefully you can see that. Since I didn't use the stamp position, I can't redo it, so what I'm going to do is probably just cover that up. So that's fine. We're just going to do a different something on here. I was thinking about doing an oval anyway, so maybe I'll do that, but I'll be right back. So initially in my mind I thought, well, I could get like a little circle for a background just to ground this, so you know what, we're going to do it because we're going to do it. So this is an oval, obviously, and I'll have that, and that'll be really cute. Actually, that adds a lot. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that, and let me go ahead and stamp this, and I'm going to use Stays On. Like I said, it's a little dry, so you usually have to stamp it a couple times, and I didn't even, I don't know. I went against my better judgment on that one. Okay, so let's put that there. Very cute again. If you're just going for it like I am, you definitely want to make sure that you are letting that ink soak in, that it's touching every area. Looking good. There you go. Okay, so, all right, let me glue these two together. And then I'm just gonna glue it on the center here, okay? I'll be right back. And just gluing those together. Put some glue on the back of that guy. Pop that on here. These basic shapes are actually from DiePress, so they do have them on their site. They're nesting dies, so if that's something you're interested in, you can find them there. I'll be right back. Okay, so it's gonna be something like this. I'm probably gonna put this on dimensionals, and then I was looking for a light green paper, and I found this one. It's more of an olive green, but I'm gonna make sure to stamp. I'm gonna do my little wreath, and so I want to use some green that's really gonna pop. But also, let's see how this one looks with it. Yeah, that might be okay. I want the red dots to really show too, so maybe a little bit darker. So I'm going to take our little wreath here, we're going to layer it up. I'm using green paper just to have more greenery, but you can definitely stamp it on white paper or whatever it is you want. So I'm going to just stamp that. Let me get a little bit closer for you guys. Oh, sorry, I hit the camera there. Cute, so delicate, look at that. Really cute. And then we have the little red berries, and they're just in a circular fashion, so I don't know if there's a certain way they should be placed on there, but I think this is fine. And some red. Again, I'm just going for it. Cute, cute, cute. The red might show up in a little different expression because the paper is green, but that's not too bad. How cute. Okay, and then we're going to cut that guy out. So let me see if that has a certain shape it needs to follow. And then I'm also going to take some red paper, just red paper, and cut out the little bow. So there's a bow here that you can just cut from paper, you know. I don't believe it has a coordinating stamp. It's very delicate too, so I'm just going to cut that one out. You have a smaller bow if you like, whatever it is that you want. And then we have this guy. Okay, so let me show you how I would cut that out. Again, if you're new to crafting, maybe you haven't seen this little trick before, and it's going to be very beneficial. So let me grab a scrap of paper. So I'm going to take this wreath and just run it through a scrap of paper. Get a nice piece of washi tape to like hinge it. So just find the flattest area or straightest, even though it's a circle. That can help you do this. Sorry, I have stuff all over the place here. My goodness. Okay. And so go ahead and run that through. Okay, and we're just going to get rid of this, but if you want to use it, you know, you can stamp on that. But anyway, let's just open this up. And let me cut this down a little bit. Don't take it off, right? You're just opening it up, and then you're going to see where this cuts and where it should be intended, actually. I think I'm there, possibly. There's definitely a certain spot where this should go. I'm looking for this one that's kind of sticking out. Yep. Okay, yeah, I wasn't there. I was totally in a different spot. It looks to me like it's this one. See how there's like a little branch that's kind of sticking out? That's the one I was looking for right now. So let's put that on there. It is really just hugging it really closely. And what I'm going to do is just hinge that back down. Don't move it. Get yourself another piece of tape to hopefully keep this in place. Oh, my tape broke on me as I was getting it. And then just run that through, and you'll have a much better idea where you're cutting. Oh, I should have ran that through with some red paper. I'd be done with my wreath, but I did not. Oopsie. There we go. And look how perfect that is. Exactly where that little sprig is. So there you go. Okay, I'll be right back. Got my little red bow. Does that ever happen when your die moves and then this sticks to the top and I'm looking for it and it's actually on the top of the thing? It's funny. Okay. So our little guy. Let's bring this guy back. And maybe somewhere like that. Cute. Okay. You can put it wherever you want, but let's go, buddy. There you go. I'll stick that down. Yeah, like there. Okay, and then this guy. Put a little glue on that. And then I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back of this whole piece. So I will be right back. Look how cute. Yeah, the dimensionals on the back of that little guy. And I'm just going to pop this little color right here. That is so cute. And the oval really just grounds the whole thing, so I really like that. And then I grabbed these guys. These are the holiday pearl and enamel dots that Diamond Press has brought to HSN. So I'm just going to put a few of these here and there. Let me see. Maybe sort of like a medium green one. I'm going to get 2 smaller red ones. These are the glittery ones, but you can mix and match the types, of course. Like that. Look over here. Cute. And then maybe I'll put some over here on this side. So thanks for watching, guys. Again, I just quick idea on using this particular set. Thank you so much, Diamond Press, for sending these items for review. I'll have images coming up. I'll have links in the description box. And like I said, the bundle is back in stock, but I'll update that information if for some reason it's back out of stock at this point. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.